Hey everyone, welcome back. This video is an update to Instagram. Instagram has just updated their font library and they're available to use in your Instagram stories. In this video, I'll show you the updated font library for your Instagram stories. So let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Now let's post an Instagram story by tapping on your camera or swiping from left to right. Take a photo or a video. Now tap on the text icon at the top right. Type in your text. Just above your keyboard, you'll notice different fonts which are available to use. These are the new fonts which they have introduced in this update. On the screen, you can see all the fonts that are available on your Instagram story. So I hope you did find this useful. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you never miss another social media tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.